Ukraine's army continues to inflict heavy losses on the Russian side, with delivered precision weapon system to their mostly own-produced FPV drones. Russia lacks strategy, training and defense to avoid heavy losses with these systems. With longer-range striking drones managing to continue to hit higher-value targets, such as this Buk system being targeted by a Switchblade 600, causing a chain reaction, destroying another of Russia's SAM system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.